Okay, so today we're going to talk about XRP and Stellar. Just yesterday, we were talking about this major resistance for XRP and that we're going to challenge this resistance. Now, to my surprise, this morning I woke up and we had broken this major resistance, and look at this daily candle. It's very bullish for XRP. I'm also going to show you an interesting thing that is happening with Stellar right now. Stellar, it's almost mimicking the same pattern with XRP. So we're going to talk about all that coming up after the intro. What's up, guys? This is JC and welcome to the Wealth Engineering channel. The more you pay attention to, the more aware you become. And in this channel, we pay attention to stocks, crypto, real estate, and business to find the best place to grow your portfolio. If this is something that interests you, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and click the bell. All my new viewers and subscribers, thank you for your support. I also want to thank everyone who signed up for the Technical Investor course. Welcome to the Wealth Engineering community. It is imperative that we learn how to manage our money, because once we learn how to manage our money, we can take control of our true wealth, which is our time and our freedom. We're going to be looking at the crypto market, especially XRP, and I want to show you something. If you had invested your money in XRP in March when XRP was around 10 cents, right now you would be looking at 6 times the return on your investment, 6x your investment. So this is huge profit, and this is the kind of profit that you can expect to get on the crypto market. The question is, how do you know which crypto to invest in? There is over 5,000 different crypto projects out there. So how do you choose the best one? This is something that we discuss at length on our Technical Investor course. We talk about all the forces that can affect your wealth, how to make, keep, and multiply your money. We talk about real estate, stock market, crypto market, how to choose the best market to get to your goal faster. And we also talk about personal finance, how to budget and how to prepare your finance so that you can achieve your wealth. We talk about a lot of different things. I'm also going to add extra courses on a bonus section, maybe by the end of this week. Remember, we have Black Friday coming up, so this course is currently at 70% off. So make sure you check this out. You can check the website wealthengineering.ca, or you can simply click on the link on the description below and it will lead you straight to this page where you could check some of our free courses as well as the curriculum. So you came here for the truth. Let's just dive deep into it. Yesterday, we were talking about this nice cup and handle pattern on the BTC dominance chart. When the prices for Bitcoin goes up, we have this chart goes up. And when the prices for the altcoin market goes up, then this chart goes down. Now, I was saying 2 weeks ago that we had a nice cup and handle pattern, but we needed to validate this. And to validate the cup and handle pattern, we need to see this nice price structure right here. Yesterday, I was telling you that how I predicted this, but look at how the market is operating right now. We had a giant dump under the EMA 21 daily. If we put it on the weekly, we're testing the EMA 21 weekly average right here. So we are right in this pattern right here. So it's possible that maybe by the end of this week, we might see another pump right here. Or if we break this, then we're officially in a huge altcoin season. So this is going to be very interesting to pay attention to. If you want to trade short term, you want to put this on the hourly chart and pay attention to this right here and see how it's operating. You can see that right now it's trying to go back in this channel. So that's going to be very interesting to see. And let's talk about XRP. All right now we're looking at the chart for XRP, and yesterday we were talking about this challenge right here. This is a major key challenge for XRP. Over the history of XRP, it's not many times that we've been above this price range, above this line right here. So for XRP to be breaking this price, it is a huge deal. And this candle right now represents about 38% in one day, 38% push in one day. This is amazing. This is great. I was actually following this by the hour and 5-minute chart throughout the day so that I can time my trades. Like as soon as it broke this, I woke up and I noticed this candle right here. I jumped into it, make sure that I collect some profit for the day. Now I just got out, but I wanted to show you something very interesting. Now it has jumped from 50 to 60 cents in one day. That's amazing, and I don't think it's over. On the other end, if we're looking at the indicators, they're starting to curve. So this is something that we're going to be interesting. You can see right now as it's crashing, I'm actually already out. As soon as I noticed this candle, I was out. I'm actually going to be looking at this chart even on the hour basis to see when would be a good time to come in. It's interesting to see that even on the hourly chart, it was also on the overbought scenario. So now it's starting to go down. But if we go on a daily chart, for example, we're still in the overbought territory, and in this area XRP can be swinging like a lot. So the MACD is overextended, and look at this is a huge momentum. This has not been, we have not seen anything like this in the last year, even 2 years. The last time we've seen something like this, it was in 2018. So this is the momentum that we're getting. However, momentums like this, they don't last long. All right. And this pattern right here is very reminiscent of what's happening right now. You can see here, XRP had a jump from 30 cents all the way close to 80 cents. And then it was settling it down all the way to back to 30 cents. So I don't think it's going to do exactly the same thing, but we may see a similar scenario where for the next couple days we have another pump all the way to 80 cents, this other big resistance for XRP, and then we see some market correction where it's gonna be playing around the EMA 21 area. So that's something that we might see again. Right now, the current pattern that we have, it resembles very much this pattern that we have here, especially when you look at the MACD. The MACD momentum, it's the same level. I'm going to show you Stellar, but now I wanted to highlight this hourly chart. Notice that now we're starting to have a curve on the hourly chart, and look at Stellar right now. Stellar has been following the same pattern as XRP, but there is some sort of divergence that is starting to happen in the hourly chart, and if that continues, it will reproduce itself on the entire day. Now, the other thing is Stellar right now is at 50 cents, and earlier this week and last week we were talking about like 8 cents for Stellar. So it almost pumped 100% right now, and it's about to keep pumping. So right now, maybe by tomorrow, we might see a clear divergence between Stellar and XRP, and it's pumping. Now the question is it possible that we see 20 cents? And I would say that is a possibility, but right now we would need to pass this pattern right here. This is the last time we had a cross like this. We would need to break this major resistance right here, and we already passed the previous high that we had on Stellar. So it's based on how the market is reacting right now. I'm not gonna be surprised if we break this, but I wanted to highlight that if we do break this, it's not gonna be for long. So be very careful about this. Time your exit, time your entry. Maybe you want to check this on the hourly chart so that you can have a better visual on what it's doing. But right now, this is what I see for Stellar. It would need to challenge and break this resistance for it to go higher, but the chances are that right now it's diverging itself from XRP, and if XRP is going down for the next 24 hours, the chances are Stellar might still be challenging and break this. This is something that we can pay attention to, but it's looking very good right now for Stellar and XRP as a whole. I'm going to spend the entire week paying attention to these two, but it's very exciting to see what's happening in the crypto market right now. At first, we had a big pump on Bitcoin, almost 100% in a month, and then Bitcoin is slowing down and it's transferring all the wealth into the altcoin. Altcoin are all starting to pump, and XRP is leading the altcoin markets right now. So this is very interesting to see, and pay attention to this. There is a lot to learn, and that's going to also show you how the crypto market operates on a bull run. And right now we're clearly in a bull run cycle. With that said, we're going to talk on the next video. I'm going to have another video ready for you about the stock market. Make sure you like the video and click subscribe, and also check out the link in the description below so that you can see the courses, or you can visit the website, you can see testimonials. But make sure you check this out, because right now the course is 70% off, and it will give you the right timing. It will give you everything you need to know and you wish you had learned in high school. If you have been investing for less than 5 years, this course is great for you. With that said, let's talk on the next video. you.